How to add filters in Lensa. So you have just downloaded Lensa and you are ready to elevate your photos with some eye-catching filter. Let's dive right into it. First things first, let's open the Lensa app and navigate to the photo that you want to edit. Now you can either use the photo that you have imported earlier, or you can just tap on this plus button which is right over here. Let's use the photo which we have imported earlier, maybe this third one right over here. And once your picture is loaded, then you will instantly notice a toolbar at the bottom of your screen over here, and that's where the magic happens. And now just tap on the filters which is right over here. Let's tap on it. And this will bring up a wide variety of filters for you to choose from, each with its own unique vibe. Take a moment to scroll through and see what catches your unique eye. Curious about a specific filter, just tap on it and you will see a preview pop up. For example, I like this one and it sings immediately. So you got the sense of how it changes your photo. Ready to play around? Try sliding your fingers left or right on the filter to adjust its intensity. This way, you can customize how bold or subtle you want the effect to be. Once you are settled on the filter you love, don't forget to tap on the save button which is in top right corner over here. Let's tap on it. And it's set. In my screen, it's not showing the saved because I'm using a free version right over here, but it will be saved. And if you're not happy with the filter, you can simply tap on auto filter and it will choose you the best. And there you have it. You are now all set to impress your friends with your stunning photo. All thanks to Lensa filter. Lastly, if this video made your day a little bit easier, don't forget to like and subscribe for more amazing tips. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.